Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn one new letter, and that is V. Which letter? V. Children, this is capital V. This is capital V. And this is small v. This is small v, and we are going to learn more about small v. Every letter has a phonic sound. So V says V. V says V. Now we are going to see the objects that begins with letter V. V for vase. V for vase. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. V for violin. V for violin. V for vulture. V for vulture. V for van. V for van. Understood, children? These are the words that begins with letter V. That begins with letter V. Okay, children. Now, teacher is going to teach you how to write letter V in red and blue line. See, children, you have red and blue line like this. And you have to write letter V in blue line. Small v in blue line. You don't have to touch the red line. Are you going to do with me, children? Okay. First, see the teacher. You have to write the slanting line, down, then up. You have to touch the blue line only. Again, you will see from up, slanting down, then down to up. V. Letter V. Again, see, slanting down, then down to up. Letter V. Letter V. You don't have to go to red line. We are writing small v. We are writing small v. Now, see, children, this is your English worksheet. English worksheet of letter V. Of letter V. And now teacher is going to show you how to write in a worksheet. See, in your worksheet, dotted lines are given. And we have to trace the dotted lines. Are you going to do with me? Okay. See, from up to down and down to up. V. V. V for violin. V for violin. V for violin. Okay. This is the way you have to write V. Now this is the back side of your worksheet. Again, you have to trace the dotted lines, and that too in blue line. This is the red and blue line worksheet. In this, you have to trace the dotted lines, slanting down, up, down, up, down, up. You have to touch the blue line only. Okay. Yes. And this is your red and blue line notebook. And you have to practice letter V in your red and blue line notebook. See, first line is done for you by the teacher. And the dots are given. you have to write on the dots in a blue line, like teacher has shown you. Okay. Now we do a quick recap of what we have learned. We have learned letter V, and we have to circle the pictures that begins with letter V. Okay, are you going to do with me, children? Okay, tell me, what is this? What is this? Yes, this is vase. This is vase. V for vase? Yes, V for vase. So you have to circle vase. So we have to circle vase. V for star, children? No. We are not going to circle star. V for strawberry, children? No. We are not going to circle the strawberry. V for flower? No. We are not going to circle the flowers also. V for violin? Yes, V for violin. So we are going to circle violin. Okay. Now children, you have a small homework. Are you going to do? Okay. These are vegetables. V for vegetables. Go in the kitchen, open your refrigerator and find the vegetables. Different type of vegetables in your refrigerator. Okay. Now there is one more activity for you all. That is fun with letter V. We are going to make something from letter V. Are you going to do with me? Okay. See, and what you all need for this activity? You need a colorful paper. If you're not having a paper, don't worry. You can use the newspaper also. White paper or an activity book, the colors, crayon colors, black sketch pen, pencil and Fevistick. Okay, are you ready with your things, children? Let's get started. Okay, children, for this activity, you need a colorful paper, or if you're not having a colorful paper, you can use newspaper. Tell your mama to cut the newspaper in a square shape. Okay, we'll take a colorful paper and I'm going to join these 2 points like this and form a triangle and turn it. Which shape? Which letter? V. Which letter? V. So we have made a vase out of this paper. Now you take a white paper or activity book. Take a Fevistick. First join the paper like this. And now put the Fevistick on the one side of the paper and stick on the white paper. This is a vase. Now take a pencil and make a circle and flowers like this. Flower in a vase. We are going to make one more flower. You know na children, in a vase you put flowers. So we have made the vase from the paper and we are going to draw the flowers like this. any shape you can draw for the flowers. Now we have leaves with the flower, and now you use the crayons to color the flower. Teacher is using the red color to color the flower. First, teacher is going to outline the flower so that the color will not come out, and then start coloring. See children, after coloring the red flowers, we have colored the green color leaves. It look like this. You take a black sketch pen and outline the flowers like this. Very nicely and slowly you are going to do this. Okay. And your vase is ready. V for vase. V for vase. What we have learned? Yes, we have V for vase. You all have to practice this. Okay. Okay, children. Did you enjoy? Yes. So what we have learned today? We have learned today letter V. V says V. V says V. And you all have to go in the kitchen and find the V for vegetables. And you have to make a vase. Paper folding vase with the flowers. Okay? Practice, and we will meet in another session. Till then, bye bye.